Factors and multiplies, part 1. Factors. When two or more numbers are multiplied together to get the product, each number is called factors. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 1 and 12 are factors. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 and 6 are factors. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 and 4 are factors. But 5 is not multiplied to any number to get the 12. So 5 is not the factor. Properties of factor. 1 is the factor of every number. It is the smallest factor, also called universal factor. Every non-zero number is factor itself. It is also a greatest factor. Every factor of a non-zero number is less than or equal to number. Every number other than 1 has at least two factors, 1 and number itself. Finding the factors. Multiplication. The given number as a product of two numbers. For example, 1 into 16 is equal to 16. 1 and 16 are factors. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 and 8 are factors. 3 into question mark is equal to 16. 3 is not the factor. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 is the factor. Division. All the numbers that can divide the number without leaving a remainder will be the factor. 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. 1 is the factor of 16. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 2 is the factor of 16. 16 divided by 3 is equal to question mark. 3 is not the factor. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 4 is the factor of 16. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. 8 is the factor of 16. 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1. 16 is also the factor of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers. Number greater than 1 and that can only be divided by 1 or itself is called prime number. Prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors. For example 4, 6, 8, 9. Twin prime. Two prime numbers that have difference of 2. For example 3 and 5, 5 and 7 and 11 and 13. Prime factorization. The method of finding the prime factors of a composite number is called prime factorization. Factor-free method. Factor of 12. 12 is equal to 4 into 3 where 3 is the prime factor and 4 is the composite factor. Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2 where both 2 are prime factor. So the prime factor of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Eratosthenes sieve. Eratosthenes created a method to find out prime numbers between 1 and 100 called Eratosthenes sieve. Write number 1 to 100 in the grid and 1 is highlighted in yellow as all prime numbers are greater than 1. Next is 2, which is the prime number, so we will encircle it and we will cross all its multiplies. Then 3 is the prime number, so we'll encircle it and cross its multiplies. Next number is 5, which is the prime number as 4 is already crossed and we cross its multiplies. Further, 7 is the prime number, so we encircle it and cross it multiplies and then encircle all remaining numbers. The numbers that are encircled are prime numbers and numbers which are crossed are composite numbers. Highest common factor. Highest common factor that exactly divides each number of a set of two or more numbers. HCF can be found using following methods. Common factor methods, prime factorization, long division. Finding HCF using prime factorization. HCF of 18, 24 and 60. Prime factor of 18. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Prime factor of 24. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Prime factor of 60. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. And 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So common factors are 2 and 3, and HCF is equal to product of the common prime factor. Hence, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. HCF of 18, 24 and 60. Test of divisibility. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility rule. If the digit at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, for example, 2304, 5678, 9530. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility rule. If the digit at one's place is 0 or 5, for example, 1520, 2845, 3760. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility rule. If the digit at one's place is 0, example 2300, 2800, 3700. Test of divisibility. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digit divisible by 3. 5136, that is 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so 5136 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digit divisible by 9, that is 8145, that is 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so 8145 is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. If the difference of the sum of digits at even and odd places are either 0 or divisible by 11. 26378, that is 2 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Difference is 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So 26378 is divisible by 11. Thank you.